June 27th, 2020. Latest current affairs. First one is Union government granted rupees 500 crores emergency funds to armed forces for war preparedness released by the Union government. Second one is Karnataka becomes the first state to amend Industries Act for small, medium, and large industries. Third one, Vivekananda Yoga University, world's first yoga university outside India, launched in Los Angeles. Fourth one is China to join UN Armed Trade Treaty ATT to enhance world peace. And next one is India ranks 77th in terms of money deposited in Swiss banks. UK tops S&P statistics 2019. And next one is overview of Rajnath Singh three-day visit to Russia from 23rd to 25 2020 to attend 75th Victory Day parade of Second World War II. Next one, Niti Aayog launched behavior change campaign navigating the new normal and website. Eighth one is Yes Bank launches a digital wallet solution UAPay in partnership with UDMA Technologies to enable contactless payments. Lieutenant Governor G.C. Munru launches two customized loan schemes of Jammu Kashmir Bank for Business Communities. Next current affair is Commonwealth Games gold medalist weightlifter K. Sanjita Chanu to get Arjuna Award 2018 after IWF clears doping charges. Next one is IRDAI forms 9-member working group headed by Anjan Day to look into drone insurance. Next one is NGI forms committee headed by Justice P.P. Khatake to investigate Assam gas leak. It was recently appointed by the Assam government. NGT forms committee headed by Justice B.P. Khatake to investigate Assam gas leak. 13. Australia and New Zealand to host the 2023 year Women's Football World Cup. They jointly agreed to organize. Grandmaster P. Harikrishna becomes the first Indian to join the USD 1,50,000 chessable masters. And next one is Veer Chakra awardee in 1971 war hero leader Parvez passes away. Next one is 16. International Day in support of victims of torture in 2020, June 2026. Next one is International Day Against Drug Abuse, Trafficking, June 2000, June 26, and Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, CM Eppadi K. Palaniswamy inaugurated CBG plants in Tamil Nadu. 19th, Maharashtra announced Mahaparva to attract fresh industrial investments in the state. Next one is Central allocates rupees 4,125 crores to rejuvenate small, medium, teenage industries sector in Tamil Nadu. 29.53 square kilometers Tillari forest area in Dodamark and range declared as conservation area in Maharashtra. These are latest current affairs.